Welcome to this quick 10-minute yoga reset. Let's begin standing at the front of the mat, hands in prayer. Slowly inhale through the nose as you roll through the body. Raise your arms and connect your palms above the head. Engage your core for a gentle back bend. Pull down through the elbows. Collapse the body and move to a forward fold, keeping a slight bend in those knees, and come to ragdoll. Relax your neck and allow your spine to decompress, gently rocking from side to side if that feels good. Release your fingertips to the ground and inhale to halfway lengthen. Exhale, jump back through chaturanga, keeping your elbows into the body. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale, pull back through those hips and move to child's pose. Roll back through the spine on an inhale, coming back into upward facing dog. Release the hips down to the ground. Pull back on those hips and release to child's pose. Taking a couple of deep, slow breaths. On your next inhale, rolling through the spine again, release the hips down and move to upward facing dog. Coming into downward facing dog. Inhale. Lift both heels. Exhale, release your knees to the left and hips to the right. Lift back through down dog and do the same on the other side. Coming back to downward facing dog and inhale as you lift your left leg to three-legged dog. Exhale, bring that foot between the hands and lift yourself up to high lunge. Deep breath in as you reach for the sky. Lower your hands in prayer through center to the heart. Dropping your back heel and transition your legs to warrior two. Inhale as you lift up through the arms. Drop yourself down into your right heel and move to Skandasana. Inhale, extend both legs, dropping yourself over to the other side through Skandasana. Then dropping your hands down through center, extend both legs. Bring your hands behind the back, interlace your fingers and extend your arms. Relax your neck and allow the arms to just hang heavy. Bend into your knees and draw your heels inwards as you transition to a goddess squat. Inhale, extend the legs to stand, turning out your left foot, coming back to high lunge, facing the front of the mat. Inhale, lift and extend through both arms, and exhale, pull your elbows down to cactus arms. Release and drop those hands down either side of your front foot. Release your left leg back and keep it elevated. Elbows in, slowly come down, zipping the body back together through upward facing dog. Exhale, hips up and back to downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg lifts to three-legged dog. Exhale, step that right foot up between the hands. And inhale as you lift to high lunge. We are moving through the same sequence but on the other side. Hands in prayer at the heart, drop your back heel down. Warrior two through the legs. Come down into that right heel, move to Skandasana. Release your hands down, extend both legs and then move to Skandasana on the other side. And again, dropping those hands down, extend both legs and come into a forward fold. Bring your hands behind the back, interlace the fingers and release the arms. Try to relax your neck as well. Turn your heels inward and let's transition to that goddess squat. Inhale as you extend through both arms and legs. Turn to face the front, coming to high lunge, extend both arms, inhale. Exhale, pull your elbows down through cactus arms. Release your hands to the ground and release that right leg back, keeping it elevated, zipping the body back together through upward facing dog. Release your hips up and back to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg lifts to three-legged dog. Exhale, step that left foot between the hands and lift back to high lunge. Extend your arms high and take a deep breath in. Exhale, bring your hands to heart. Lift your right leg up and extend it forwards, core engaged. Now move to standing pigeon, releasing back into the hips. Now transition from here to dancer's pose. Taking that right foot behind the back in your right hand, slowly releasing yourself into the pose. Keep your hips balanced here. And release. Inhale, extend your arms. Exhale, cactus arms and collapse the body, releasing to a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, jump back through chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg lifts to three-legged dog. Exhale, step that right foot up between the hands and lift a high lunge. Again, taking the same sequence but on the other side. Begin to lean your body weight into your front right heel. Engage your core and lift the back leg. Lift the knee and then extend the leg straight out. Hold for a breath. Then move to standing pigeon pose, releasing your weight back into those hips. Transitioning now to our dancer's pose. Core engaged, hips stay in straight alignment and slowly rotate the body forwards as you lift that back leg up and kick it out. And release. Inhale, roll through the body and extend your arms up. Gentle back bend, engage your core. Draw your elbows down, exhale, collapse the body. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, jump or step back to high plank and move through your chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale, release your hips back to your heels and come to child's pose. Now, when you're ready, make your way to a comfortable seated position for our pranayama finish. Alternate nostril breathing resets the central nervous system and brings your whole body and mind into a sense of calm. Great when on the go and don't have too much time because it's really effective and doesn't take too long. We're going to be using our thumb and our little finger. Close one nostril with your thumb and breathe in through the other nostril. Pausing with your lungs full and closing the other nostril with your little finger. Exhale slowly. Then inhale slowly, filling your lungs. Again, pause, swap over to the other nostril and do exactly the same thing. Exhaling slowly and then inhaling slowly. Repeat this simple cycle of exhaling and inhaling through each nostril, and I will call you back when it's time. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that in these short 10 minutes you were able to gain a nice reset. If you enjoyed the class, make sure you subscribe as I have plenty of longer classes as well. Come back anytime if you're in need of a quick reset. Wishing you a beautiful day. Namaste.